Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. I don't know if you guys have noticed, we spent the last few days cleaning out the garage, and now it's not such a huge mess. I didn't want to clean anything out just because a lot of the stuff was my dad's stuff, so I didn't want to throw away stuff that he might have wanted to keep. So far, it's pretty clean now. All I gotta do is just clean up this little cart right here and throw away all the things that we don't need and put my tools that I personally always use, because then I'm never gonna lose it. Today is gonna be a very special day because I'm gonna tackle this project that I've been wanting to do. I tackled it once last summer. I spent about maybe a week on it and I kind of fucked up. I told myself I'll give myself another 3 weeks, recuperate and try it again, and I just kept putting it on the back burner. Eventually it got scrapped and I threw away all those clips. But it's all good because we're gonna tackle it today.
Jason?
Need me to sign?
Yes, sir. Alrighty.
Cool, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. And anyways, we're gonna tackle it today. I'm not gonna let this project defeat me. After I've had about a little bit more experience from then, I think I can do it now. This project isn't gonna happen overnight. It's probably gonna take a good 3 to 4 days if I tackle it every single day after work. I'm gonna give myself a good amount of time because there's no need to rush perfection. Today's project is gonna be painting. What am I painting? The entire engine bay. I'm just kidding, not the entire engine bay, but all of my engine covers. I'm so glad that no one's ever addressed any of these in any of my previous videos. Look at how nasty this is. Look at how nasty that is. I don't have the emblem on here because I took it off because I was painting this a while back. And look at how bad this is. Even this too. It's not even like how it was before. So what I originally intended was to paint it gloss black first, let it cure for a few days, and then go over it with my mirror chrome and then make it candy red. So I fucked up on the first step, and that was painting it gloss black. I got gnarly orange peel, and I just didn't want to sand it down again and restart the process. I was really defeated, to be honest. I was so bummed, but you move on from it. I think I'm ready now to resand everything, repaint it, and get it done right. So basically I want to have it the same color or maybe similar to my Brembos, and I'm gonna sprinkle glitter on it. Same thing with the strut bar. Let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, everything is off. Engine cover, strut bar is off. So we're gonna start sanding because I have to sand some of this down, and then I'm gonna be using something I have never used before, and that is primer. This is a first for me. I know that's what you're supposed to be doing when it comes to plastic and all these things, but I've just been so arrogant, and now I'm gonna do it right. Gonna sand this up real quick and apply primer. So I've sanded it, and I've gone with VHT Flameproof Primer just because it is gonna be in the engine bay, so it's gonna be really hot, and this can withstand a lot of freaking heat. Look at that. Let's go ahead and try this out. Alright guys, I sanded a few things, put my second coat, and I got really bored. So I got my strut bar and turned it into a bow and arrow. Well, a bow. And let's see if this shit works. Guys, the coolest thing about the Tom strut bar is that it comes with pre-drilled holes ready for my arrows. Let's get it. Yeah, I don't think anyone else has a JDM bow and arrow. That's how bored I am. Well, that was cool. I've literally been doing all of these dumb shenanigans for 30 minutes just to let this dry. So now I can go ahead and put black paint. So what we are gonna be using is VHT Engine Enamel Gloss Black Paint. So I went ahead and did my first coat of black, looking good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and primer these and do the same thing. It's been about, I wanna say a little over an hour. Just been painting away. 3 coats of black on this. I know it's not the greatest, but I'm gonna wet sand it, so don't worry. Over here, just finished about 2 coats on these, and I ran out of paint. I even went into my backup paint in the cabinet that I have. So I guess I'm gonna pick this video back up tomorrow. Those need about 2 more coats. That one's done. I could probably do 1 more coat just to be safe, but I'd rather just let it cure and wet sand it. I'm still waiting for my 2K clear coat to come in the mail from Amazon. I'm still waiting for the mirror chrome to come in the mail. But yeah, I'll pick this video back up tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Yo, what is up guys? It is the next day and I got my paints in and I went ahead and tested a little bit of the mirror chrome. So that's how it's looking. The black, it might be a little bit of orange peel, I'm not sure, but we'll wet sand and see how that turns out. From far, it looks pretty good, but I don't know if you guys can see all these little indents. This is from me attempting it, like I said, last year, and I fucked up. I sanded off all the paint that I put on as much as I could, and it just still left marks. I know I could have sanded a little deeper, but this isn't that big of a deal. When I put on the glitter, hopefully it'll change the texture and it won't look that bad. This isn't a super professional job. This is just a DIY that I really wanted to tackle. And if it really bugged me that much, later on I can redo them by buying new pieces and starting from scratch or getting it professionally redone. Let's go ahead and tackle this. I'm gonna go ahead and mirror chrome the black here. I might wet sand it first to see if I can make it a little bit more smooth, but it looks pretty good. If you guys don't know, this is the mirror chrome I use. Well, I put it in warm water so it came off. But this is the actual brand, Spack Sticks. So this will always need a black base coat, and I always use engine enamel because it's heat resistant and gloss black. So I already did one piece. Came out pretty good. You guys can see it. This one, I'm gonna start. Like I said, the texture is really bad, but bear with me. I've also been having an issue with my cans. They've been all exploding. So I'm using this metal cast to go onto it to anodize red. But look, this is a brand new black can too, and it exploded. I put it in some warm water for like a minute, and then it just started dripping every single time I shake. So I always thought you were supposed to put it in a little bit of warm water to make it room temperature so it's not too thick in there. But let's go ahead and paint this. I have to put a towel on top just so I can shake it without it getting all over me. Check this out. Literally paint everywhere. I just do light taps. I also went ahead and sprinkled some glitter onto it. Give you guys a closer look of it in the sun. Pretty freaking cute. Not bad. I just sprinkled glitter on everything. Check out how it is looking. Came out a little better than I thought. I just sprayed the engine cover and holy shit. Tell me that doesn't look sick. Should I just leave it like this? Just run a like semi-chrome? Kind of looks black chrome almost, but needs clear coat. Can't wait to do red onto this and put some glitter. Out of all the stages when it comes to me doing this paint that I'm doing, my favorite part is applying the clear coat because I did get 2K clear coat and that is my favorite clear coat ever. It looks just like automotive clear coat, like real ass clear coat they use on cars. Like it's so crazy. We're gonna let this dry a little bit longer and then we can make it red. This fucking can has been a nightmare. It's been dripping all over the place, but at least we did the engine cover. Pretty good. Has a good amount of sparkles. Clear will really make it settle in. There you go. Now you guys get a better look. It matches. I think it's cool. I'm just tired of having basic black engine bay covers, and I didn't want to fork over money to have someone do it professionally. Maybe in the future, or maybe I'll learn how to do it properly and do it with a gun and all that, but this is good for now. Plus, it's my car. I get to mess around. I like doing these DIYs. This doesn't affect the car. No one's gonna see it if it ends up being all nasty and gets faded. It's just more for me, and you can always edit photos. Now it's time for my favorite part. Let's fucking get it. Oh my god, guys, it has been so stressful. I finally finished putting clear coat onto the covers. You guys can see over there. Cleared up, cleared up, cleared up. The reason why it's been so stressful is because I used a whole bottle of 2K clear coat on both of these, did 2 heavy coats, and I ran out, and I didn't think I was gonna run out. So I'm gonna have to pop open another bottle, and I might go clear over it one more time because I like to put 3 heavy coats of clear just to have peace of mind. Not to mention, I just started primering this, the radiator cover, and I'm gonna start painting it in a little bit. I'm gonna have to order 2 more bottles of 2K clear. It's gonna run me about another 35 bucks, 36 bucks. It's pretty expensive and you can't get it anywhere in store in California. You have to get it shipped from another state. It has like some type of chemicals in it that make it very illegal to California, supposedly, but I'm gonna need 2 more because I'm gonna need one for the radiator cover. I'm gonna have to put some more onto the engine bay covers. And last but not least, the Strut strut bar. I know this video has been getting dragged out. I knew it was gonna take longer than 1 or 2 days, so please bear with me and please be patient because I feel like the results are gonna be pretty freaking awesome, considering this is on a budget. So I will see you guys in the next clip. It might be tomorrow, it might be 2 or 3 days from now, but I'm gonna try to work on this in my spare time as much as I can. It's gonna get dark in a little bit, so I'm gonna try to utilize all the time that I have left so I can paint that. But I will see you guys in the next clip. Stay tuned. All right guys, it is the next day. We're finally going to be painting the radiator cover and the strut bar. I already went ahead and painted the strut bar black. All I have to do is just turn it mirror chrome, and then from there we can make it red. Check that out. Ooh, check that out. So excited. These are the last 2 that I need, and then I can go ahead and put it on the car. Amazon finally came through and I was able to get a little bit more mirror chrome, so now I can go ahead and do this. And of course, you know, we gotta park the car all the way over there because we don't want any overspray. You guys kind of see it turning a little chrome? That's the coolest freaking thing. Also, if any of you guys ever plan on using this, it reeks. Damn. So stoked. Alright guys, so it took a while, but we finished putting on the red, putting on the glitter. I brought out the engine cover from the other day to make sure everything's matched, and you guys have got to see this. Woo! Damn. I think it looks pretty good. And then if you guys get closer, you'll be able to see the sparkles. Keep in mind, this is pre-clear coat. I'm gonna be putting on the clear coat right now. It is gonna look so good. I can't wait to put it into my engine bay and just finally have a decent looking engine bay, you know? Gotta make it look pretty somehow. In the meantime, since I don't have a supercharger, this is pretty sick. Let me know down below. Got all the pieces out to make sure they match, and we're gonna put clear coat right now. And guys, don't forget, 2K clear coat. This is the best clear coat I've ever used. It's on Amazon. If you guys ever need to use clear coat, this is the way to go. All right guys, got the clear coat fully on the engine bay pieces. I'm gonna let it dry overnight. I also ordered 1 more can of clear coat from Amazon. It's gonna come tomorrow because I'm a little skeptical about only doing 2 coats. I like to do 3 of that clear. So we're gonna wait for that tomorrow. Once it comes in, I'm gonna spray it, let it dry probably for 10 plus hours. I already test fitted it while it was drying and it looks amazing. Babe, what do you think?
Looks nice.
It looked really good when it was on the car though, huh?
Yeah. Really shiny.
Sweet. So I can't wait to be able to put the strut bar on the car. I didn't test fit that because I really wanted that to come out better than everything else. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. I know I've been dragging out this video, but we're almost done. I'll see you then. What's going on, guys? Today is the day. I finally put on all the clear coat I needed, and now we can go ahead and reinstall the engine bay covers, the strut bar, everything. So I can't wait to show you guys. Check out how good it came out. Ooh, check out how good it came out. The battery tie down came out a little bit darker, but that's also because I ran out of glitter. So I ended up using some jank glitter that I got from Walgreens, which is fine because the black was fading anyway. So this is definitely a nice little upgrade. Damn guys, do you see all of these sparkles? Like, that is so crazy. Came out way better than I thought. Damn, there you have it, guys. With the sun shining on it in all its glory. All right, let's start with the smaller pieces first. I miss having engine bay covers because now I can finally take off that dumb painter's tape that you guys can see, because it is gonna be raining the rest of this week, dude. I'm so happy. All right guys, everything is on the car. Cleaned up the engine bay a little. Put on the finishing touch, my little Tom's badge that the strut bar came with. Woo! You guys can see like tiny little blemishes right here, which is not a big deal for me. Like I said, I'll replace these and possibly the cover over there and respray them, but everything else looks pretty damn good. Dude, this is such a nice angle. Everything really ties together. I just need to get some sort of air intake over there that's red. I had an idea to get the Blitz one, which is carbon fiber and candy red, which I can also repaint if it doesn't match my candy red, but it's all good. I'm cool with stock because, like I said, I'm not trying to get in trouble. I just wanted to dress up the engine bay a little bit, make it look somewhat more pleasing to look at. Pretty hyped on it, so I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more and I'm gonna hit you guys with some cinematics. So here you guys go. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys think of the engine bay in the comments down below. And we just got in our hoodies. Size small for all you guys' girlfriends will fit as well.
It's super comfy and soft and thick.
It's honestly one of the best hoodies I've ever had, and that's pretty much it. It took me 1 whole year to finally do this. It came out pretty okay. I could have done it a lot better and I might fix it up, but it doesn't matter. I still finally have an engine bay that looks decent. What do you think, babe?
I love the color. I'm obsessed with the glitter. It looks really nice.
Doesn't look that bad, right?
No, I love it.
That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are just gonna keep going up from here. We're past 10K. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. This video means a lot to me, so please give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it too. And cop some merch.
Oh!
Hoodies available on the website, so check it out. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good.
Oh!
Later.